First, I start off by washing the soap dispenser. If you're using powder, it will be necessary for you to be washing more often. But if you're using liquid detergent, it's better and it will take maybe 2 weeks before you clean. You see that part I'm cleaning? Some powder usually remains. Most times it's some undissolved powder. After some time, if you don't clean, you'll find out that there will be a lot of buildup in that area, which might end up spoiling your machine.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
I'll proceed to wash the soap dispenser in a sink, in a place where there's some running water. I'll also be using some brush and some detergent to remove any dirt inside the dispenser.
Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Remember to clean the softener compartment cover as well. You'll find out that it also has some dirt buildup.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
The next part that we're going to clean is inside the washing machine. Look at that door. The rubber at the door of the machine usually builds up a lot of dirt. If possible, I recommend that you be cleaning this part after every wash.
And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked, and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody, somebody like me. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody, somebody like me.
Another important part to remember and clean is a washing machine door. It tends to build up dirt as well.
Somebody like me. When you ask my name.
The washing machine drum is the next part that we are going to clean. For this, we are going to use these special types of tablets that are meant to clean the drum. These are the washing machine cleaners. It's a deep clean formula. For this, you just use 2 tablets and you're good to go. Remove the tablets from the cover and throw them inside the drum and run a normal wash. For me, I usually use the quick wash, the 15 minutes quick wash. And after that, the machine will be very clean.
So what am I leaving? And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked, and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah.
Let's check out if indeed our washing machine is clean. I'll wipe it off with a clean cloth. Look at that. It's evident that our machine is now very clean, ready for the next wash. In about 25 minutes, everything has been cleaned up and our machine is sparkling clean.
Let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah.
Wondering how to make a play all night. Looking your way from out of sight. Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right. Ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light. So damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked. So out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you, a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Somebody like me. Somebody like me. Took you out and showed you the city. How'd you let somebody so pretty's what they said to me? Yeah, that's what they said to me. Well, they told me I didn't stand a chance, yeah. Face value, had you at a glance, yeah. But nobody ever asked if you could dance, yeah. Well, only one who did that was somebody like me. When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you, a cocktail. You told me